So, hallo zusammen, mein Name ist Marco Grischott. Io sono legal che suonato per pin concert digital da der. Spero che tu mai da vostro teilkeo, aber uso dies mit der das emprimas chanzuns che vi fa ein duas che sono la come band line. L'emprima hanno remain con la venska dauern 2 Jahre circa. Cioè, spero che le bleiben.
Can we remain ashamed of all the things that we've done? Can we remain? Are we to blame for all of the things that went wrong? Are we to blame? Are we to blame? All the way that you move and the sound of your voice, there's almost nothing still the same. Let me ask you one thing: can we remain? It's such a shame that we all should have found out. It's such a shame. It's such a shame. If everything could still have worked out. It's such a shame. It's such a shame.
Grazie a Fitch. La prossima canzone è nome Hey June.
Oh, hey June, sorry to bother you, but I miss one chance and I don't want another to pass me by too. Yeah, hey June, just wanna talk to you, 'cause you're different than the others, turning wrong into right and making every little flaw look cute. Hey June, I don't wanna lie to you, as if I was kinda like you, or if I like Nike shoes, and if you don't, I hate them too. Oh, hey June, I really, really like you, singing hey June, let me know. And if you come another bunch of time went by, and the eager that I am to let you meet up with a friend and thinking everything's gonna be fine. So confused, oh, maybe I should write you a song, 'cause the words from my mouth all alone ain't make you dancing alone. Play it cool, take another shot or two, till I realize I can wait, 'cause maybe July is too late. So hey June, I maybe really like you, singing hey June, let me know if you got what I'm trying to show, 'cause I'm not the kind of guy to walk out to you, talk to you, but I need. So hey June,
So, las próximas dos canções un tic pi souligas. Io vai deplorablemente bo canções per text romansch, aber io sei declarar sper perché chi va la prossima canzone i va a schwem per kins vuole dina ess nu kins eigrat boni vi quei kins agrat bo at quei fetch attuale il moment per quei che nus essen schire stringai in casas che nus vergessen mogen at essen die Seite fa ella non cold juice fetch nova at divertiment.
Before the sun is just about to hit that purple dusk, I love you, trying to put me in a better mood. When I feel crushed, so confused, every time I'm looking for some flaws. When I'm tasting on that cold juice, I never thought that'd be enough. I always want to be anywhere I'm not right now. Can tell when I'm flying, but get high when you're not around. Always long to be anywhere I'm not right now. Can tell when I'm flying, but get high when you're not around. Cold juice was pouring just all over us, but I didn't seem to care too much. So blue, seeing you with him just was too much. Seeing the both of you get inside, 'cause I felt when I felt when I felt that I felt it, and I didn't want to help it all, 'cause I felt what I felt when I felt that I felt that I felt when I and I felt it, and I didn't want, and I didn't want. I always long to be anywhere I'm not right now. Get down when I fly, but the highway you're not around. I always long to be anywhere I'm not right now. Get down when I fly, but the highway you're not around. Yeah. Cold juice. I never thought that'd be enough.
Så det var så canzun in cantur canon Dijon scuol mercau la nom violence de piada divertiment.
Summer was light, and winter was bony and rough here. Pour cream on your cup, blow steam out the cup. We walked down Francis Ave at the 7-Eleven near campus, holding hands like some kids. We wait till sunset at the liquor store at Selma. The neighbors stop by from a trailer on Violin. Would you wait around for me? I'm begging you, Violin. Would you stay around for me? I'm begging you, Violin. The sunset looks Violin. Your hair and your thighs are wet, 'cause you are the man, Violin, yeah. And we waved sunshine at the liquor store at Selma. The neighbors stopped by from a trailer on Violin. Would you wait around for me? I'm begging you, Violin. Would you stay around for me? I'm begging you, Violin. The sunset looks Violin. Your hair and your eyes are wet, 'cause you are the man, Violin.
Grazie per l'attenzione e tocca